The year is 2025. SpaceX, the private space company helmed by Elon Musk, has its sights set on an audacious goal: building a fully reusable Starship every 72 hours. This ambitious target is part of a broader vision to revolutionize space travel and make it as routine as air travel. This ambition, once considered ludicrous, is rapidly becoming a reality at SpaceX's sprawling Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. The facility, often described as a futuristic spaceport, is a hub of innovation and relentless activity. The relentless pace of development has stunned the world. Engineers and scientists work around the clock, pushing the boundaries of technology and human endurance. It is a testament to Musk's unwavering belief in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. His vision is not just about reaching the stars but about making space accessible to everyone. This ambitious production target is not just about breaking records, it's about creating a sustainable model for space exploration. It's about making space travel more affordable and accessible than ever before. Imagine a future where space tourism is a reality, where ordinary people can experience the wonders of space. With each Starship launch costing a fraction of traditional rockets, SpaceX is ushering in a new era of space exploration and colonization. The cost savings are not just significant, they are transformative. The implications are immense, opening up a future where humanity can dream of venturing further into the cosmos. Colonies on Mars, mining asteroids, and even interstellar travel are no longer just science fiction. The heart of this revolution is the Starship itself, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. Its design is a marvel of modern engineering, combining efficiency, durability, and versatility. Capable of carrying up to 100 people or 100 tons of cargo to Mars and beyond, Starship represents a giant leap forward in spacefaring technology. This capacity opens up endless possibilities for scientific research, commercial ventures, and human settlement in space. But building such a complex machine at an unprecedented rate requires an equally revolutionary approach to manufacturing. Traditional methods simply won't suffice. That's where the Star Factory comes in. This facility is designed to streamline production, incorporating the latest advancements in automation and robotics. This massive, state-of-the-art production facility at Starbase is a hive of activity, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Every aspect of the manufacturing process is optimized for speed and efficiency. It is here, amidst the roar of welding torches and the clang of metal, that SpaceX is turning science fiction into science fact. The dream of making space travel commonplace is no longer a distant fantasy, but a rapidly approaching reality. Located on the southeastern tip of Texas, Starbase is more than just a launch site. It's a sprawling spaceport and production facility, a testament to SpaceX's ambition and engineering prowess. Here, amidst the dunes and the Gulf Coast winds, a dedicated team of engineers, technicians, and dreamers are working tirelessly to make humanity a multi-planetary species. The air thrums with the energy of innovation. At the heart of Starbase lies the Star Factory, a sprawling complex designed for high-speed Starship production. Raw materials arrive daily, quickly transformed into gleaming Starship components. Giant cranes swing massive steel rings into place. Welders work tirelessly, their torches casting an otherworldly glow upon the factory floor. But Starbase is more than just steel and machinery. It's a place where dreams take flight and the future is being forged. It's a thriving ecosystem. On-site accommodations house employees, fostering a strong sense of community and shared purpose. The lines between work and life blur as teams dedicate themselves to the mission. This 24/7 operation ensures that Starship production never sleeps. The facility itself is constantly evolving, with new structures and production lines added regularly. It's a testament to SpaceX's iterative design philosophy: build, test, learn, and improve. This constant evolution is essential to achieving the company's ambitious goals. The relentless pace of progress here is palpable, with every new day bringing fresh challenges and opportunities. The spirit of collaboration and innovation is evident in every corner of Starbase, making it not just a workplace, but a beacon of hope for the future of space exploration. The journey to the stars begins here, at the birthplace of the Starship fleet. Step inside the Star Factory and you'll witness a manufacturing revolution in action. Gone are the traditional, slow-paced assembly lines of old. SpaceX has embraced a radical new approach: linear adjacent flow production. This method emphasizes speed, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Imagine a streamlined, synchronized ballet of manufacturing. Starship components move seamlessly from one workstation to the next, each step meticulously choreographed. This minimizes transportation time and reduces the risk of delays. The result? A dramatic increase in production speed. This innovative approach extends beyond the physical layout. SpaceX champions a culture of continuous improvement. Teams constantly analyze every step of the process, identifying bottlenecks and implementing optimizations. This data-driven approach ensures that production becomes more efficient over time. The Star Factory is a hive of activity, a symphony of cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity. Automated welding robots work in concert with skilled technicians. Overhead cranes hoist massive steel rings into place with precision. Every corner hums with the energy of innovation and ambition. The linear adjacent flow process is key to SpaceX's ambitious production goals. This innovative approach is transforming the way rockets are built, making the entire process more efficient and streamlined. Unlike traditional manufacturing, where components might travel long distances between assembly stages, this method emphasizes a straight-line approach. This means that each part of the rocket moves seamlessly from one stage to the next without unnecessary detours. Starship sections move sequentially through the Star Factory, minimizing transport time and streamlining the entire process. This sequential movement ensures that each section is completed in a timely manner, reducing overall production time. This approach offers several advantages. It not only speeds up production but also enhances the quality and reliability of the final product. First, it reduces the need for large storage areas. As components move directly to the next stage of assembly, this direct movement eliminates the need for intermediate storage, which can often lead to delays and increased costs. This saves valuable space within the Star Factory, allowing for a more compact and efficient layout. A more efficient layout means that more rockets can be produced in the same amount of space, increasing overall productivity. Second, linear flow reduces the risk of damage or delays. By minimizing the distance that components need to travel, the chances of mishandling or accidents are significantly reduced. With components spending less time in transit, there are fewer opportunities for accidents or logistical hiccups. This not only ensures the safety of the components but also maintains the integrity of the production schedule. This is crucial when dealing with complex and expensive spacecraft components. Any damage to these high-value parts can lead to significant delays and increased costs. Finally, this method fosters a culture of continuous improvement. By constantly analyzing the production process, SpaceX can identify areas for improvement and implement changes quickly. By closely monitoring the flow of materials and identifying bottlenecks, SpaceX engineers can implement optimizations in real time. This real-time optimization ensures that any issues are addressed immediately, preventing them from affecting the overall production schedule. This iterative approach ensures that the production process becomes smoother and more efficient over time. Each iteration brings new insights and improvements, leading to a more refined and effective production process. The success of the Star Factory's linear flow model is evident in the increasing rate of Starship production. As more rockets are produced, the process becomes even more efficient, creating a positive feedback loop. As SpaceX continues to refine its processes and implement new technologies, the dream of a Starship every 72 hours is well within reach. This relentless pursuit of efficiency and innovation is what sets SpaceX apart in the aerospace industry.